Welcome back to Summarize Science. Today, we're looking at a paper that could fundamentally change how we interact with AI language models. It's called The End of Manual Decoding, Towards Truly End-to-End Language Models. Let's say you ask an AI to write a poem and then a technical manual. Right now, you'd have to tell it which creativity setting to use, and that single setting applies to the entire text. But what if the AI could decide for itself how creative or precise to be for every single word it writes? That's the problem researchers tackled in this paper, introducing a system called AutoDeco. By adding a small, lightweight component to existing AI models, they gave the AI the ability to dynamically predict the best decoding settings on the fly. And the results are impressive. As you can see in this table, when tested on difficult math reasoning problems, the AutoDeco method consistently outperformed the standard methods. In fact, it even matched or beat a theoretical, expert-tuned method, which is like an expert having an unfair advantage of tuning on the test questions themselves. What's really fascinating is that this was trained only on math problems, but it generalized incredibly well to other tasks. On general Q&A, code generation, and following instructions, AutoDeco still came out on top. This suggests it didn't just learn math, it learned the meta-skill of how to generate text effectively for any situation. But here is the most groundbreaking discovery, an emergent ability. Without any specific training for it, the model started to understand natural language commands about how it should answer. For instance, when researchers added the phrase, "I hope the answers can be more innovative and diverse," the model automatically turned up its internal creativity settings. Conversely, when they asked it to be as certain as possible, it turned them down to be more factual and deterministic. This is the first time an AI has been shown to translate human intent about creativity directly into its internal generation parameters. After a little extra training, they made this ability over 95% consistent. So, to recap the important points, researchers have created a method that lets AIs self-regulate their own creativity and precision on a token-by-token basis. This method is highly effective, efficient, and works across a wide range of tasks. Most importantly, it has led to the emergent ability for the AI to follow natural language commands to steer its own generation style. This is a huge step towards more intuitive and controllable AI. Imagine a future where you can just tell your AI assistant, "Be a bit more formal," or "Explain this creatively," and it just understands and adapts.